So thank you for joining in this session. In the session, we are going to start a speaking test. So in the session, I will be asking you about 15 questions, and you have to answer to the all questions. I think you are ready to answer, but I'd like to start with Khadija. Khadija, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what's your name?
My name is Khadija Akhtar Prome.
What class do you study in?
I study in 7th grade.
When do you go to school?
I go to school at 6:30 a.m.
Oh, great. When do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at night or day.
You have,
What?
you have to mention time. At what? At
Okay.
10 or
I
anything?
I go to sleep at 10:30 p.m.
Great. When do you play in the afternoon?
Okay. I play. I doing play. I playing. I play at 5:30 p.m. 5:30 p.m. Sorry, 5:30 p.m.
Okay, 5:30 p.m. Good. When do you come back from school?
I come back school at now 10:30 a.m. Sorry, p.m.
Oh my God, at night? 10:30 means it's
No, p.m.
a.m. Should
No,
be a.m. not p.m. a.m.
a.m.
Here, but there is a bit mistake. I come back from school. I come back school. It's incorrect. I come back from school. I come back from school.
Okay, sir.
Okay, when do you watch TV?
Sorry, sir.
When do you watch TV? I mean television. When do you watch television? A dog is barking.
I watch TV at mm, uh, 11:30 a.m.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Motizil in Dhaka.
In Motizil in Dhaka, is it correct?
I live at Motizil in Dhaka.
Okay, thank you. Where do you study?
I study in Motizil Model School and College.
Great. Are you a student?
Yeah, I am student.
Great. What do you do in your leisure time?
Sorry, I
What do
don't
you
understand.
do? What do you do in your leisure time? I mean, in your free time.
I spend my free time uh, watching TV,
Yeah.
then writing story, or then reading comic book, etc.
Great. Great. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. With whom do you like to play? With whom do you like to play?
I like to play with my brother.
Okay. Don't you like to play with your friends?
Yeah,
Okay.
I do.
Thank you. What type of games do you like to play?
Uh, badminton.
You like to play badminton and anything else?
Mm, no, nothing else.
Okay. How long do you play?
Sorry.
How long do you play? How long?
Um, I play.
Have you got the question? Have you got the question?
Yeah. How long do you play?
Yeah.
Um, for 1 hours.
Okay, you have to say I play for 1 hour. I play for 1 hour. Repeat.
I play for 1 hour.
Not hours. It should be hour. There is no S.
Hour.
Yeah. Repeat again.
Okay.
How long do you play?
I play for 1 hour.
Okay. Thank you very much. You did well. So I would like to move to Busra. Thank you, Khadija, for appearing. You can turn off your. You can mute yourself. Khadija, you can mute yourself.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir.
Busra, same questions to you. What's your name?
My name is Mushfika Rahman Bushra.
What class do you study in?
I study in 7th grade.
When do you go to school?
I go to school at 12:30 p.m.
When do you come back from school?
I come back from school 4:30 a.m.
When do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 10:30 p.m.
10:30. Okay. When do you get up from sleep?
I get up from sleep at 6 a.m.
Okay. When do you play?
I play at 5:30 a.m. 5 a.m. Sorry, 5 p.m.
PM should be PM. Okay. When do you watch TV?
I watch TV I don't watch TV.
Okay. So what do you do in your free time?
I read novels.
Okay. And what else? Anything else?
And I play with my little sister and brothers.
Okay. So where do you live?
I live at Sharia Dimra, Dhaka.
In Dhaka. Okay. Do you like Monirs?
Yes, I like mornings.
Okay. With whom do you like to play?
I like to play with my little sister and brothers.
What type of games do you like to play?
I like to play badminton.
How long do you play?
I play it for 30 minutes.
Okay. So last question. Who do you love most? Your father or your mother?
I love most my father.
Not you. Who love you more?
Oh, my father loved me.
Your father loves, should be loves. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Busra. You did fantastic. Our fantabulous. Thank you very much for appearing. So let's move to Fairuj. Fairuj, are you ready to answer?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay. So as usual, I have to ask your name. What's your name?
My name is Pairujahan Ridita.
What class do you study in?
I study in 7th grade.
When do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 a.m. 8 a.m.
When do you come back from school?
I come back from school at 11 a.m. 11 a.m.
Yeah, good. So when do you get up from sleep?
I get up from sleep at 8 a.m.
8 a.m. Oh my God, you are lazy. You are super duper lazy. As a student, you should not wake up at 8 a.m. You should get up at 5 or 6 a.m. Be careful. Do not waste your time. You will have lots of time to sleep. So when do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 a.m.
11 a.m.
Sorry, 11 p.m. Sorry.
Okay. Okay. So what do you do in your leisure time?
Usually I watch TV, but sometimes I read stories book in my leisure time.
So when do you play?
I I play at 4 a.m. 4
With your-
p.m.
Okay. Why do you make mistake with AM and PM? Both of you, like Busra, Khadija, all of you make this mistake with PM and AM. So before 12 midday, it is AM. And after 12, we have to say PM. Okay. So with whom do you like to play?
I like to play with my friends.
How long do you play?
I play for 1 hour. 1 hour.
Should be
Sorry, 1 hour.
hour. Yeah, should be hour. Okay. Where do you live?
I live at Tesgaon in Dhaka.
So can I know what's the name of your school?
Yes, the name of my school is Tesgaon Adarsh School and College.
What type of games do you like to play?
I like to play badminton.
Okay. So thank you very much, Aditya, for appearing. You did fantastic. Fantabulous. Okay. Our next participant. So, what's your name?
My name is Rafi Rahman Rafi.
What class do you study in?
I study in 7th. It's
When do you go to school?
I go to school at 7 p.m. 7 a.m.
You are also making this mistake. When do you come back from school?
I come back at school at 2:30 p.m.
I come back from school. I come back from school. Again.
I come back from school at 2:30 p.m.
Okay. So when do you get up from sleep?
I get up at sleep. I get up sleep at 5 p.m.
I get up
5
from sleep.
a.m.
I get up from sleep.
I get up from sleep 5 a.m.
Okay, at 5 a.m. At 5 a.m. When do you go to bed? I mean, when do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 10:30 p.m.
Oh, great. With whom do you like to go to school? With whom do you like to go to school?
Nothing more.
I mean, তুমি কার সাথে স্কুলে যেতে পছন্দ করো? কার সাথে যেতে পছন্দ করো স্কুলে?
With my father.
You should say, I like to go to school with my father. I like to go
I
to
like
school.
to go to school with my father.
Okay. So do you play?
Yes, I play.
When do you play?
I play at 6:30 a.m.
What type of games do you like to play?
I like to play basketball, football,
Cricket.
etc.
Okay. With whom do you like to play?
I like to play with my little brother.
Okay. How long do you play?
I play 30 minutes.
Do you watch TV?
No, I don't watch TV.
Okay. Do you like monies?
Yes, I like mornings.
Thank you. What do you do in your leisure time?
Um, I do my leisure time reading comic books and novel.
Okay. I do. It's incorrect. You have to say, I like to read, or I like reading newspaper, comic books, or storybooks. Okay.
Leisure.
Okay. Next question. Where do you live?
I live Chittagong Road, Dhaka, in Dhaka.
Okay. Can you tell me what's the name of your school?
Yes, I tell. My madrasa's name is Darna Siddiqa Kamil Madrasa.
Okay, that means you are a student of madrasa, right? Then I have to say what is the name of your madrasa? Okay, Rafi, thank you very much. You did well, and I think you all of you did well. Thank you very much for joining, and inshallah, I'll see you next time with some interesting videos. And those who are watching this video on YouTube and Facebook, make sure you subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can see the pretty faces on the screen you can see right now, and you will be seeing lots of interesting videos in the next time. So keep in touch. Stay well, stay safe. Don't go outside without mask. Cheerio.